Hi everyone. Today I'll create this component in CATIA V5. The dimensions of this component are given here. This is an isometric view. This is a front view of this model and the top view of this model. All the dimensions are given here. All are in mm. Now let us create this component. What I do before creating the model in the CATIA V5, first, what you try to analyze this sketch. I'll create one circle like this, an inner circle. Then I'll create these four slots like this. Next, I'll try to remove this material. Now let us start creating this model in the CATIA UI. Already I have created this model here. This is the final component. Now let us create the same component once again. Now I'll take the top view. I'll try to create this circle. This circle radius is 86. Next, the inner circle is 50. Now I'll select both the circles. Let both the circles be concentric. Inner circle is 50, diameter 50 mm. Outer circle radius is 86 here. Okay. You can able to see here. Now I want to create this slot. This slot height is 12 mm and this is 12 mm. Now I'll take rectangle command. Now the dimension between this and this is 6 mm. Now I'll take this point and this circle to be concentric, to be coincidence. Select the coincidence command. Next, this and this circle, this point and this circle give coincidence. Now the total length is 12 mm. Next, this has to be. Before this, what I do, I'll go for trim command. I'll try to trim this. So this height is 12 mm. Now I'll delete this. Now I'll go for mirror command. I'll select this and I'll select the axis line. Again I'll go for quick trim. I'll trim this portion. Now this has been created. Now I need to create these two slots. Now I'll go for rectangle command. The dimensions of this slot are, this dimension is 12 mm and this dimension is 6 mm. Okay, here it is 6 mm and this is 12 mm. Select this axis and this line. This is 6 mm. Now I'll select this, I'll select this point and this circle. Go for coincidence command. Next I'll hold the control button, select this end point of this line and this circle should be coincidence. Now the length of this is 6 mm. Now I'll go for quick trim. Now I'll mirror this about this axis. I'll trim this portion. This is not constant fully, so I'll give this dimension. This is 12 mm. Now the sketch is fully constrained because it is turned into green color. Exit the workbench, go for pad command. I'll try to take it from the mid plane. Okay, mirror extend. So from the mid plane, it is what is the dimension here? Total is 50 mm. You can able to see the sketch here. The total is 50 mm height. So I have taken the mid plane here, 25 mm this side, 25 mm this side. Why I am doing this, I'll tell you later, because I need to remove this material. Because of that reason I am using the mid plane. This is 25 mm this side and 25 mm this side. Now I need to remove this material. Okay, this much of material I need to remove. This is 6 mm thickness. This is 6 mm in the front. We can able to see the dimension. This is also 6 mm. Now remaining will be how much? 50 minus of 12. 50 minus of 12 is 40. 40, 38. 38 half is 19. 19. This side 19. This side 19. Now I'll select the mid plane. I'll go for sketch. Now I'll draw a circle of 74 mm diameter. And this circle should be concentric. Next, give the dimension as 74 mm. 74 mm diameter. Now, if I try to do the cutout option, I cannot able to remove. I need one more circle. Okay, so that circle should be bigger than this. Bigger than this material, this circle. Okay, bigger than this diameter, or equal to this diameter. Now I'll select both the circles, go for concentricity. Now let us give some dimension for this. Okay, the outer circle should be equal to this dimension, or it should be more than this, so that the material in between these two circles will be removed. The material, whichever the material, if I give the cutout command, the material between this and this circle will be removed. Now I'll exit from the workbench, go for cutout. It is, see here, see the dimensions properly. This is 50 minus of 6 minus of 6. It is 50 minus of 10, 40, 38. 38, 38 from the midplane is 19, 19. Mm, give the dimension as 19 mm here. Preview. So the material in between those two circles has been removed here. Finally, I got the model. This is the isometric view of the component. Okay, finally we have designed this component here. So this is the top view, this is a front view of the given model. This is isometric view. Thank you.